This rider quickly found out that
Wear some gear, everybody.
the right gear it would have only ended up with a scratched bike.
Yeah, so get some gear. Okay, links in description. Oh, panic broke again, and now we got we got issues on our hands now. We got road rash ripping the flesh off. No buenos. Ripped. Ankles look pretty bad now. Just the torsion and then getting back in place could rip some tendons. Get some gear. Get some gear.
Good bang.
So the white area, it removed the top layer of his skin. Whew. Good to have you here. We did not expect conditions to be so bad. Okay, so we got road surface hazards. We got cold tires, possible ice on the road. We can't really brake super hard or quickly. We can't accelerate super hard or quickly. We have to do everything slow, including turns, but got ice on the road. This is one of those problems. Make sure you get the appropriate tires for the situation. Uh-oh, foot's pinned.
Okay.
Foot's pinned. This is why you have ankle protection. This is why you need to be a smart rider. Grab yourself some gear. Ankle could be pinned. It could crush your ankle. And if you're out in the middle of nowhere and you can't get out,
You gotta pick up the bike. Wait. Okay.
and then trying to pick it up with the slippery road surface too. He's got full protection, so his bike should be protected. The panniers, or the saddlebags, whatever you want to call them, hopefully protected everything there.
Good.
So the bike should be good. The bike should be good. You want to check it still. Whoa! That the car was switching lanes, honked at him, I believe. Don't know exactly why. Look at, they switched all the way. I saw that in the back. They went from the right lane all the way into the turn lane to turn left. That was their fault. Mr. Big Poops, that's his name. What? Okay, practice your U-turns. We have the drills on the second channel. We have the drills. Oh! Stopping on that edge where it's a drop-off and trying to get on that drop-off is not good. We talk about that in our academy. We talk about that uneven road surfaces can be a problem. Links in the description. $4.99. $4.99 for the first month. How do you not notice me? Inattentional blindness, motion-induced blindness, idiot. Those are 3 reasons right there. I already called it. So, left turn in front of us, or nope. Uncommon thing in a common situation. Be very careful with that. Don't take your hands off the handlebars looking at that. You want to put yourself in a better position. So move off to the side or slow it down to allow them to go through. That person was just dumb. They don't know how to do turns. I hate it. So I go wide on these left-handed turns, especially when it's 2-lane left-handed turns. I always go wider. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This is a lot of fun. I did something similar like this with my Sportster. Just not this fast. Just made it look cool. Okay, good. Blind corner. They did good.
Where are you guys going? You cannot go this way. Hey!
Uh-oh.
Turn around!
I guess it's a trail that you can only go one way.
This is a one-way trail. You cannot do this.
That could have been bad. First, whatever, Upper Darby. So, intersection. Careful. We're going 67 miles per hour. I don't think this is a 67 miles per hour area. Apply the brakes. We gotta stop. We almost hit another vehicle because we're going too fast. Alright, Super Tramp, here we go. Going a little fast, but everyone else is going the same speed. You see how we're going in the flow of traffic? Another Mustang driver causing problems. So 45. Oh, not the Mustang. It was actually the truck. Got himself out of there.
In the end,
Got himself out of there.
enjoyed it.
Oh, you're welcome, MotoStars.